how to edit your profile on TripAdvisor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to make some changes to your profile on TripAdvisor? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up any browser and head over to tripadvisor.com. You will see your profile icon in the top right, and then you can see profile, tap on it, and then your profile opens up. Scroll down and you can see edit profile option, tap on it, and then here you can change your name, your username, you can put in a current city, you can add the link to your website, and you can even write a bio about you and hit save. And similarly, you can also add a cover photo, and then to change the picture, you have to go to edit profile again, and then you can see change profile photo option. So in this way, you can edit your profile on TripAdvisor and make it look good. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.